Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I am sharing one of the Python problem solution. So our problem is write a Python function to find the largest element in a list. So let's start our problem. Today I am using this code editor. So I am creating one of the Python file that's like .py. So I create a function diff. So I create the max list. The function name is max list, and then I put in array. It's just a list. Okay. You return maximum of list. Framed. Next list. Frame 45, 56, 78, 89. First I create one list. I run it. In this list our maximum number is 89. So if you run this code, it will return 89. So just I run it. So this 89. Suppose if you want to separate this list, I create another variable that's like list underscore one. So I copy this list. Control X, and I paste it. After this Control C, I have paste in this place. I run it. Say this 89. Suppose I change this value. In this place, I put in 1000, and I run it. Then it will return 1000. See this 1000. So this is the method for finding largest number of this list from list. This is a method for finding largest number from the list. Guys, if you like this video, please subscribe our channel and let's share with your friends. Thank you. See you all later.